What's up, y'all? We want to shout out our friends and sponsors, IBEW Nika, baby. They're on the job, and we're on the job for them, y'all. And we're going to make something right now. You had a long day at work, pulling cables, grounding wires, so we're going to ground you out a great dinner here. These are called high voltage wires, and after a long day working, this is going to fill you up in the right way. Now, we call it this because all day long you're carrying around pulling cables like this. So we've got pasta nests, right? And we're going to use that to replicate the cables, because after pulling them all day, you don't want to see them unless they're covered in an awesome sauce. And we were making a Chorizo Bolognese, baby. And all these things come together to respect the people in that union. And here's why. They work hard around some electrical dangerous things, so the chorizo some spice, but not too spicy. The chorizo also represents all these different mismatch of people that are in that union from different countries, different parts of the state, all here working together, and that matters a lot. So this sauce is fantastic. It's easy to make, and we're gonna put everything in there, even a little beer too, to make sure they know they're respected, and you do too. But it's in the details. I once had a summer job working with this union, and it was awesome. And this foreman, his name was Richie, I'll never forget, he said to me, take care of the details, the little things, and the big things take care of themselves. So this dish is easy to make, but the details matter. So we got some good olive oil in our pot right here heating up, and you can get ground chorizo. I got this at a local market here, and it's actually chorizo, but it was in the casings. So I snipped all the casings off. I wasn't using wire snippers, but it still works. I'm gonna put that in the pan, and I'm gonna render out the fat and leave it in there and constantly break it up to get as many little tiny pieces. And we're gonna keep cooking this until it's ready to go. If it gets some crispiness on it, that's cool. Got our chorizo taken out, and it's got a little crispiness on some parts of it. Smells awesome. And the spice, man, you want a little bit of spice like on a job site, some spicy jokes, but not too much, you know what I mean? We gotta be respectful about that. OSHA might come down on us. Now we got the chorizo oil in here, and it's great. We're gonna add in a whole finely diced white onion. We're gonna put in a little bit of chopped roasted red peppers. And we're gonna cook this up a little bit until we get the onions a little translucent. Onions and peppers are looking great. So we're gonna put in some garlic. And we're also gonna throw in some tomato paste. And the tomato paste, by the way, is not only gonna add a thickening agent and more flavor, but we're gonna toast it around. Keep stirring it and get it mixed up until you start to see it even brown a little bit, and that's totally fine. Now we're building this thing out right. You can get these in cans, but these are crushed tomatoes. You want about 15 ounces, but I'm gonna throw 17 in here, baby. Smoked paprika, salt and pepper. Now, from the spatchcock garden, these are all fresh herbs. Fresh herbs make all the difference. It's good paprika. We got rosemary, basil, the sweetness combats all that heat, and then thyme. I'm gonna stir that up. Now the wet ingredients. A little bit of homemade chicken stock. And then, after a long day at work, there's three things you want. A hug from your husband or wife, a great dinner, and a beer. So we're gonna put a little beer in there too, about the same amount as the chicken stock. Then we're gonna throw in 2 bay leaves. And then we put our meat back in. We're gonna let this simmer. Look at all that beautiful flavor coming out of there. Let this simmer for a minimum 20 minutes. A half hour, you should be good, but you can go as long as an hour or so. But cover it and simmer it. Now about 5 minutes left, we're gonna add in a splash of heavy cream that we're gonna mix into our sauce in another 5 minutes while our pasta's getting ready. We're almost there, baby. We're almost to the job completion. High voltage wires, let's get it. Take a big healthy scoop of this beautiful Bolognese basically on the top. From a cheese standpoint, we are gonna shred over this some fresh Romano cheese, got from our peeps at Lombardi's. And then finally, some fresh cilantro from the spatchcock garden. Time to dig in, baby, and get to work like all them hardworking electrical workers. Throw me up some pasta, some of that chorizo on here. After a long day at work, this straight works. Spatchcock Funk and IBEW Nika. Let's do it.